All right, it is Monday, January 25th, and the market is now closed. 410. Just got back from the gym. S&P was up 13, Dow Jones minus 36, Nasdaq plus 92. Excuse me. I did a morning recap about how crazy the market was, and basically, now what we're seeing now too after hours, AOSS is moving, and this is. Oh, I thought this was Coles. My fault. But what I was gonna say is EXPR, the retail. You had GameStop with absolutely went parabolic. Look at GameStop. So basically, what this did, the move up. Look at the volume. That's what these stocks are doing, moving up. Consolidating, or maybe each day just grinding, and then you're getting big explosions. Look at this move here. So let's see basically what this did. It went sideways pre-market, 4:35 a.m. Went sideways back and forth, then we bounced. So this bounced from 90 to 150 plus, then came all the way back. Looks like it found support on that 60 line, and then after hours is uh, it's pretty crazy right now. So, and the reason too that 60 line is important. Look at this, 2008, boom, 60, and down to 20, boom, almost 60 again, 2014. Now look at this, from 2014 all the way down to 2020, 2021. This thing crashed, and it found support from basically the IPO. So this is a big ascending triangle almost, or channel play, more of a channel play. See, 1, 2, bottom again, third touch, 3. Remember I said 2 or 3 touches, you'll break through. So that 60 is important there. So it's crazy. They were talking about on CNBC, retail traders. This is all retail. It's the markets are exploding. Everything's basically on fire, and everyone's saying the top could be in. We're going to get a major pullback soon because everything's just washing, or not washing. What I want to say, just more rocketing long. That's what I wanted to say. So it's completely nuts right now. Even AMC. Let's look at that. AMC. I called this one too. I wish I had a lot of money to put in every trade. There's so many trades, even swing trades. I saw this. Remember, I said triple bottom. 1, 2, 3, almost 4, and again that 2 line held. It's a very important line. And what do you have here? That line is 7 line, 7 line. Look at this. Go back here. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Hello, can you hear me? All right, let me see if this mic went off. Let me see here. All right, I'm gonna keep going here. I think we're good. Just check one more time. Just test this. How do you test it? All right. Well, we'll go on. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So AMC. So this went to 450. Trying to get a 7. Probably test that line eventually. Got to get over a few hurdles here. Got to get over 5. 6. But look at the channel here. So that's the big move. So basically, all these stocks were slammed to. They're rising up. Your Macy's, EXPR, GameStop. It's been unbelievable. All right, just a little quick note on that because a lot of people don't understand the market. So what's going on here? Let's start with ELCE. ELSE, excuse me. All right, this is electro sensors. No news on this from November 12th. 16 million market cap, income zero, sales 7.9 million, float 2.23 million, low float. Manufacturer sells industrial production, monitoring, and process control systems. Sells its products United States, Canada, Mexico, all over the world. It was founded in 1968, Minnetonka, Minnesota. So let's take a look at this. So the monthly on this, this started way back in 1984. Went to 2, back and forth this goes. Went to 11 in 2006, back to 2. So this is pretty much had a 2 line to where we're at now. Here's a big line. Many spikes. Look at all the spikes in this. So actually, I'm going to put a line here. This 6 line right here. The 6 line is very important. And I would say this 3 line, many times it's hit. That's very important. So you see this back and forth. Went below it a little bit, but we've been in a channel, pretty much a channel since 2009. Look at this, back and forth. Now look at the volume here. You've never seen volume like this. Even on this stock, that's what I'm saying. The market is completely wild right now. So that's the weekly. We're going up. Trend is up. And look right here at the volume here. No real volume. Big, big candle here in October. Look at this move on the daily. This was 18 million, went up to 850. Came back to the 350 line, 4 line. See the low getting higher. Next line, 450. We're in this indecision right at this 6 mark because this is a big line here. So, this could fall anywhere to 455. You got to watch. You want this to stay over 6, and then up we go. We want this climb to continue. So we'll see how this one plays out. But another one that has been running. All right, ECOR, Electrocor, Healthcare. Looking to Electrocor's return on capital employed. That was January 21st. Announces established of a unique level 2 HCPCS code for non-invasive vagus nerve stimulator. There's the 19th. So a commercial stage medical device company engages development commercialization of range of patient-administered non-invasive vagus nerve stimulation therapies. Founded 2005, Basking Ridge, New Jersey, headquartered, and has a market cap 160 million minus 25 million income, sales 3.2 million, float 32 million. And you can see in the monthly here, it started all the way up 2019, came all the way down like they do. I told you they bottomed out, or at least that's how they've been running since a lot of these came to IPO, and then they go down and eventually they make their way back up. I guess the cycle. Daily on this, you see the big drop, you have bounces, big drop, bounce. And it was a wedge here. So you came out of the wedge, and then we got to this $1 line, broke up. And then this 150 line's huge. Very big line here. So I'm going to take these out. You don't want too many lines. You just confuse your own self. So this 150 line is very big. I'm going to take this line out now. So you can see here this 150 line. And another line that's really big is right here. That would be 5 line. See this back and forth. Then we went up in 2019 to 5, came all the way down. Formed a low right about 33 cents. It's another reverse head and shoulders. Here's a head, shoulder on each side, and we're going back up. And where we're at now is a big level 2, right at this 3 level. Because we touched this right here back in July, August. See this? So we're trying to break this 3 now. So look for if we can break 3 and then, climb each 50 cent here, 354 all the way up to that 5 level again. You have good support at 150 and maybe 2. It's a little far away from that 2 line of 13 EMA. But this is another one that looks good on the chart technically. All right, DNMR, DNMR Scientific Basic Materials, 3.25 billion market cap. Doesn't list income and sales on Finbiz. Nothing. Doesn't even have float. It's a SPAC. That's why DNMR Scientific shares jump in SPAC debut. That was December. Manufacture supplies biopolymers. It's found at 2004, Bainbridge, Georgia. Production facility, Winchester, Kentucky. It does injection molds, resins, hot melt adhesives. Okay, let's take a look. The weekly, you can see, or the monthly, this was right in June 2020. And like all the stocks, they just go from 10 to 44, right? Unbelievable. Look at the daily. So you have your 10 line right here. And I'll put a line right there because it's like the low right here of just below it. And then right here you have this 12 line. See how this channeled? A lot of these plays, if you know the pattern, you know what it's going to do. Channel play, broke up. It's got the 16, broke up. Look at that move. Came down, 22, bounced. Look at these moves. It's like gapping every day almost. Look at this. Here, here, here. Would you buy it here? No way. You're so far away from your 13 EMA. Remember, you want that to be close. See that? See right here how you're close to your EMAs? You want that to be close, not too far away. You start getting far away, you're going to have a major pullback. So this could fall anyway from 30 to 28 and still be bullish, though. It could still go here, then grind back up. So this is one actually would be a good short. It could keep going also, too, the long side. So just watch that one, see what it does. Probably get a massive move. All right, read. Consumer defense, 66 million market cap, income minus 10 million, sales 38 million, float 59 million. Reed's Ginger Ale is driving into 2021 with a big giveaway. Let's see what they say here. Develops, manufactures, sells natural handcrafted beverages, craft specialty foods, industry, United States, Canada, Asia, Europe, Australia, South America. It's founded in 1987, headquartered in Norwalk, Connecticut. It's natural food, gourmet retailers, grocery stores, its products to club stores, drugstores, liquor stores. It's all over the place where they sell their product. All right, monthly. My first candle in this was 2007. This thing jumped all the way to 1050, came down to $1. 2012 it bounced, and you're pretty much at a double triple top. And this thing faded to where it is now. And you have big volume in this too, like all the stocks. I've never seen so much volume. If you look on the monthly and all these stocks, I don't think I've ever seen that. You can see here, little blips, but this blows this away. Crazy. And we have a lineup here too. I would say right here, 8 line. So back and forth, 8 line. I mean, there's many lines here, but you can see that it touched many times and faded. So on the weekly, all right, you can see in the weekly here, see the high, lower, lower, keeps getting lower, lower. You can actually draw a line here. You can do all kinds of lines. So here's a big descending triangle. So you can see where we're at here on the weekly. On the daily, this is another wedge. Take that out. From the drop in 2019, look at that drop. And then we came here to 50 cents, just below. And where we're at now is, I can see a line right here at 150. Look at this back and forth 150 line. Here's the 50-cent line. So big volume lately. Went down to 60 cents. 75 cents. It's trying to get over this dollar. If we get over a dollar, look for that 125 level. See, I was trying to put the line at the highest level it's been at before. See that? There's nothing else around here except that. So, I think we can get to 1 to 150 on this, the way it's moving. And you don't want this to get below 80. You want this to break that dollar and hold, and then, each way down 80 and 50 cents. You don't really want it to go there. This is a continued run. All right, so that's it on these stocks. The market has been wild. You can trade anything in this market at this point. That's the way the stocks are moving. Everything's moving. You don't need even huge gainers. It's just the volume, and you're getting such big moves, like dollar moves, like $1 to $8 the stock. It's just incredible run. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Trade Ideas, my referral, and YouTube. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. And Stock Twits. This is a blog, all stocks. I write information there. Mike Heyman Trades on Stock Twits. We're out till the next video. Peace.